Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bitwarden easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Bitwarden, start by downloading the application. Visit the official Bitwarden website at bitwarden.com. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. For mobile devices, go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Bitwarden and download the application. Once the download is complete, open the application. Next, you will need to create an account. Click on the Create Account option. Fill in the required fields, including your email and master password. Make sure to choose a strong master password that is difficult to guess. After filling out the form, agree to the terms of service. Click the Submit button to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation link from Bitwarden. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Bitwarden app and log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up additional security options. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable this feature. Now that you've set up your account, you can start adding passwords. Click on that Add Item button within the app. Enter the required details such as the username, password, and website URL. Save the entry by clicking on the Save button. Repeat this process for any other accounts you want to store in Bitwarden. To access your passwords, log into Bitwarden whenever needed. You can also use the browser extension for quick access. To install the extension, visit your browser's extension store. Search for Bitwarden and follow the installation prompts. Once installed, log into the extension with your credentials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.